Gonzalez. Anytime now. And the race is on. Next big thing. Pass to begin by Darelis Doña Nenita. Running in third is Gold Cugat. Alongside is Da Vinci. On their father outside, Lucky Find, Diamond Dane, Jen's Joy. Next big thing by Haffaland, followed by Doña Nenita in second. And running in third by about 6 lengths, Da Vinci alongside Gold Cugat, Diamond Dane, Lucky Find, Jen's Joy. Inside the last 700, next big thing by about 2 lengths, followed by Doña Nenita in second, and running in third by about 6 lengths, Lucky Find, Gold Cugat. As they race the last 500, next big thing by about 3 lengths, Doña Nenita, Da Vinci, Gold Cugat, Lucky Find. As they race the final corner, next big thing, still leading by about 3 lengths, Doña Nenita Danori inside, and nearing the finish line. Next big thing, still leading by about 2 lengths, Doña Nenita is running by Darrell, and nearing the finish line, Jeb Sarate on next big thing. Doña Nenita, Gold Cugat, Lucky Find, Da Vinci, Diamond Dane, and Jen's Joy comes last.
Okay, 4-1.